Substances in the brain. Some illegal drugs cause dopamine release in the limbic system. And remember, what's dopamine doing? It's making you feel good. While cocaine is not commonly used in Malawi, this video, right over here, the reward circuit, demonstrates how drugs can impact the brain and lead to addiction of other substances, such as alcohol, nicotine, which is found in cigarettes, or THC, which is found in shamba, Indian hemp, and marijuana, which are used by some people in Malawi. Addiction is a brain disease that results from alteration of the limbic system. If cells of the limbic system become adapted to increased levels of dopamine in the synapses, their brain's reward system will send signals in ways that alter their behavior. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter, it's a chemical, that is important in the limbic system and in the reward pathway. It helps us feel pleasure. Our natural inhibitory neurotransmitters usually inhibit dopamine release. Our bodies also have natural cannabinoids that turn off these inhibitors, allowing the release of dopamine. A balance between dopamine and its inhibitors occurs in a healthy brain. We're not high all the time, thank goodness, yet we are able to feel pleasure. THC, which is a chemical found in marijuana, mimics our natural cannabinoids. It turns off our inhibitors and allows lots of dopamine to enter the synapses. This causes relaxation, slows down our movement, and helps us remove unnecessary short-term memories. THC makes us feel high, there it is in quotes, because it does not break down as quickly as our brain's natural cannabinoids. We don't have a lot of data that clearly show how smoking marijuana impacts the brain health of adults. However, we do have a lot of data suggesting that ingestion of large amounts of THC by young rats changes the structure and functions of their brains. And you can go here for more information. We do know that excessive use of THC, which is found in marijuana, slows us down and impacts memory formation. Excessive use of THC among young people could have long-term effects on memory, responses to stress, reward, motivation, self-monitoring, etc. More research is needed to determine its effects on young people. We have chemicals such as Gaba that work at synapses to inhibit the firing of neurons. These are called inhibitory neurotransmitters. We also have chemicals such as glutamate that have the opposite effect. They stimulate the firing of neurons. Glutamate acts as an excitatory neurotransmitter. And here's a quick video, right? 2-minute neuroscience on glutamate. Alcohol is a double sedative. It interacts with the GABA receptors, making them even less likely to fire in the presence of GABA. And it blocks glutamate receptors, preventing glutamate from exciting the cell. It has large impacts on the areas of the brain involved in impulse control, decision-making, and memory formation. Excessive use of alcohol, therefore, can cause us to behave impulsively, make bad decisions, and forget our actions. A 2008 report on alcohol abuse in Malawi suggests that the social impacts of alcohol abuse in some areas of Malawi are related to the abuse of women, economic insecurity, and the spread of HIV. While the sample size is small and based on a lot of anecdotal reports of residents, the correlation should be noticed. And for more information on that, please click here.